Seeing a green screen on your Chromecast instead of your content? You are not alone. Let's fix it fast and get your screen back to normal. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are troubleshooting the annoying green screen problem on Chromecast. Method 1. Check HDMI and USB ports and power source. When you are experiencing green screen on Chromecast, check the HDMI and USB ports and the power source. You can unplug the Chromecast and try a different HDMI port if available on your TV or monitor. If Chromecast is powered by your TV or monitor's USB port, try using a wall outlet with a USB power adapter and vice versa. This should ensure that Chromecast receives full power. Also, check that the cables are not damaged. You can power cycle the device and check. Method 2. Check the Wi-Fi signal strength. Due to connectivity issues, you can also see these types of green screen issues on Chromecast. To resolve the connectivity issue, move your Chromecast closer to your router. Now this should improve the signal strength and fix any connectivity issues. You can check the status of the internet connection from Chromecast settings. To do that, go to Home screen, then navigate to Settings, then select All Settings. Now, go to the Network and Internet section. Check if the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on and the device is connected to a stable network. You can change the network service and check if that works. You can also contact your service provider if necessary. Method 3. Try a lower resolution. The next thing you can do is ensure the TV or monitor's resolution matches Chromecast's output. Here is how to do so. On your TV, head to Settings, select Display and Sound, next select Resolution. Then try a lower resolution and check if the video is playing now. You can also restart the Chromecast device and check if that helps fix the issue. Method 4. Clear problematic app cache. If you are experiencing green screen on a specific channel, then clear the app cache. This can happen due to corrupted app cache. Here is how to do clear app cache. Open Chromecast settings, then select all settings. Next select apps, then see all apps. Now select the specific app that's showing issues. Here we are showing the method with this app. The steps are the same for all the apps. Now select force stop. Next select clear cache. If you select clear data, this will sign you out of your account. So make sure you select clear cache only. After clearing the app cache, relaunch the app and check. Method 5. Update Chromecast. The next thing you can do is check if your Chromecast is running the latest firmware settings. For that, navigate to Settings from the home screen, select All Settings, scroll down and select System. Then select About and select System Update. If there is any update available, download and install the update. Method 6. Factory Reset Chromecast. If nothing could fix the issue, you can factory reset the Chromecast. A factory reset clears all data, settings and apps. This often resolves these sorts of issues. To factory reset your Chromecast device, go to Settings, then System, then About and then Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts. Alternatively, press and hold the physical reset button on the device for a few seconds until the LED blinks. Method 7. Contact Google Support. If none of the methods shown previously worked for you, visit the Google Chromecast support page. If your device is still under warranty period, you can request for a device replacement. And that's it. Your Chromecast should be free of the green screen glitch now. If this worked for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fuzz tech fixes. Still stuck or found another solution? Drop it in the comments. We are always listening. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next one.